Hi, I'm Jamie, CTO at Kadence.
Hi, I'm Sophie, Head of Product at Kadence.
So Kadence is a workplace operations platform. And the problem we solve is pretty simple. Every company has an office, and most of them have no real idea if it's working or not. We give them the full picture, how your space is actually being used, how to plan it properly, and then the day-to-day tools to make the whole thing run. That's what we do.
And that day-to-day part, that's what we call WorkOps, right? And that's where the employee is going to experience Kadence day-to-day, whether they are booking a desk, whether they are checking in a visitor, searching for where a meeting room is. That's your sort of seamless workplace experience. The great bit for workplace teams, of course, is that while all of that is being used, it's building up this layer of like super valuable occupancy data, attendance patterns, how your workplace is really being used. And then when that workplace needs to change, like whether it is space, whether it's people, whether it's policy, that's where SpaceOps comes in. So SpaceOps can take all of that really valuable data that you've built up by using WorkOps day to day, and use it to work with you to model that change, to then get right down into the detail of that model once you've decided the direction to go in, exactly who is going to sit where on your floor plan, and then ultimately push that through into your live kind of WorkOps configurations.
The workplace strategy you build is actually based on the real behavior, the real occupancy, the reality of how your workspace is used, not an idea, a spreadsheet, a snapshot in time, something that was historically true and maybe isn't anymore. All of that has changed because SpaceOps together on top of WorkOps becomes a platform that allows you to have the confidence to move forward into that strategic change.
We hear this from customers all the time, right? That making changes to space, to policy, to people, those are like super difficult to get a handle on the real facts on the ground and to understand and collate all the data because it's in lots of different places, because it's quite complicated, and which signal do you prioritize over another? And that's another reason that we've kind of brought all this into SpaceOps with an intelligent agent who's going to help you model all of that out.
And the data silos within organizations are particularly acute for non-technical teams. Workplace teams typically don't have data scientists in them. They don't have engineers who can go and build a data lake. They're trying to borrow resource from other parts of the organization, or they're just not able to do this for themselves. So that's where the Kadence platform, merging all of that together into a single pane of glass view, becomes really powerful. If you'd like to find out more, book a demo today with one of our workplace experience experts.
We would love to show you.